Hello, I'm Bethanne Nemesh, and I'm super excited to be joining the staff for Quilt Week Paducah 2026 as a free motion machine quilting teacher. I'm mostly teaching in the Longarm room, but I do have one domestic class and a really exciting lecture on yarn couching, which is basically my favorite free motion machine quilting side quest. Let me show you a few images and tell you about my classes. I'm excited to bring my class, Grid Flowers, to Paducah. This will be teaching free motion machine quilting flowers overlaid with a grid. I'll be bringing all sorts of grids for us to practice with, and you'll be able to achieve beautiful organic freehand flowers with just a few easy to follow, repetitive steps. Absolutely no drawing ability is needed because I like to use this really clear step-by-step system. Background Quilting Bonanza is going to be an all-day class. We're going to be learning not only a huge variety of background quilting motifs, but also how to blend them and manipulate them and design with them throughout class. A big part of this class is talking about design theory, movement, and making things pop through the use of changing scale, as well as changing the textural components of our background. This is a really deep dive into background quilting, and I hope you'll join me. Advanced feather braiding is for my more experienced quilters. We're going to be learning how to bend, twist, overlap, and intertwine feathers, making sure that we understand how to carry through design concepts even though they disappear. I'm excited to be bringing my lecture, Yarn Couching Free Motion to Fine Art, to Paducah. Yarn couching is a terrific free motion machine quilting side quest. I hope you'll come. All it takes to learn this fun technique is a little bit of patience and one extra foot for your machine, either domestic or long arm. I actually do it on both types of machines. So I hope you'll join me and be entertained for an hour. Head on over to AQS QuiltWeek to get enrolled in any of my classes. I'm Bethanne Nemesh, and I hope that I'll see you really soon.